Working for yourself is a scam. And I say this from someone who does it. I left a corporate job to have freedom. I built a UGC business, I started an agency, and I learned every AI tool that the internet told me that I needed to learn. And you know what I got? Longer hours, a laptop I can't put down, and a front row seat to watching everybody else get off at 5, go on vacation, and actually enjoy their weekends. Meanwhile, I'm sitting there at 11 o'clock at night trying to figure out the latest AI tool that was supposed to save me time. But now I need a YouTube tutorial just to understand the tutorial. Let me tell you, the math was not mathing. Here's what nobody tells you when you go out on your own. You don't get freedom automatically. You get a different boss. Except now your boss is your inbox, it's your clients, your content calendar, and every single AI tool dropping on the internet every 3 days like it's going to change your life. And I hate to break it to you, but most of them don't. I spent more time learning tools than actually using them to make money. And I kept thinking, if I just learned one more thing, figured out just one more platform, stayed up just one more hour, it would all finally click. And it didn't click. What clicked was that I realized that the whole thing was backwards. I wasn't supposed to be a worker in my business. I was supposed to be the owner. And the moment that I understood the difference, everything changed, including how I use AI. Now, here's the question I stopped asking. I stopped asking, what's the newest AI tool I need to learn? And I started asking one question instead. Does the tool make me money, save me time, or does it just make me busy? That's it. That's the whole filter. If the answer is it makes me money, it stays. If the answer is it's interesting, but I spent 4 hours learning it and made me $0, it's deleted. I went from trying to keep up with every single AI release to 3 tools, Claude, HeyGen, and TopView. And my output has doubled. Not because the tools are magic, because I stopped being a student of AI and I started being an owner who uses AI. There is a massive difference between those two people. The student collects tools, the owner deploys them. Let's be honest, which one are you right now? Claude is my research and scripting assistant. That's its one job for my business. I don't use it for everything. I use it for that. Now, here's exactly what that looks like with research. Instead of spending 2 hours researching a topic or a video, I type in one prompt. I'm creating a YouTube video for busy entrepreneurs over 40 about using AI to save time and make money. Give me the 5 most important things they need to know. None of the extras. 30 seconds, a full research brief. 2 hours of work gone. Now that's not cheating, that's owning your time. Now here's scripting. I take that brief, I give it to Claude, I give it my angle, my audience, and I put it in my voice and provide my actual thoughts. It allows me to ramble, but it brings it all in and gives me a really good first draft. Then I can actually build from that. And I don't use it word for word. So think of it like a GPS. It doesn't drive the car. It just means that I'm not wandering around lost for an hour before I even start. So I know with my ADHD, I can go all over the place. Research and scripting used to eat up 2 or 3 of my days. With Claude, it takes about an hour. Now that's the first place I got my time back. And I didn't have to watch a single tutorial to figure it out. Now here's where the owner mindset really kicks in. Once I have my script, I don't always have to be the one delivering it on camera. I know I'm on camera right now. Stay with me. I love filming, but I don't always have time to film. Bad hair day, an unfocused brain fog, my kids interrupting, or travel. It's 11 p.m. and I'm exhausted, but content still needs to go out. On those days, my avatar will show up instead. This is HeyGen. I recorded one short collaboration video of myself one time. HeyGen used it to build a digital version of me that I can deliver any script that I give it. I upload my thoughts in my Claude script. My avatar delivers it. I review it, approve it, done. No camera setup, no lighting check, no reshooting because a truck drove past my window at the wrong moment. Believe me, that happens. Just a finished video ready for the next step. An employee has to show up every day, whether they feel like it or not. And that's what this is. For B-roll, the supporting footage that makes the video feel full and professional, I use TopView.ai with Cdance 2.0. That's the most affordable access to this technology that I've found. And I already know how to use it, so I'm not going to add complexity to just add complexity. So remember the filter. Does this make me money, save me time, or is it just making me busy? TopView makes me money, so it stays. So here's how fast this is. Step 1, load your reference image. A selfie from your phone, that's it. Just make sure it shows your full outfit or upload the outfit that you want to have on. Make sure it shows your full outfit, or upload the outfit that you want to have on. Otherwise, AI will make some very bold wardrobe decisions on your behalf. Totally up to you. Step 2, write a simple visual prompt. Describe the scene. Where are you? What are you doing? What's the energy? Hit generate. Select the duration, the resolution, and the ratio. And just know that the first generation may not be perfect. So just run it again. By generation 3, you'll probably have something that you will actually love.
At Stumset from Bar, your ready state is permanent. New clients this month get a free aftercare kit with your first booking.
Here's what I need you to understand about that process. The iteration is not the frustrating part. The iteration is the skill, knowing when it's good enough, knowing when to run it again, knowing what to change in the prompt to get a better result. That judgment is what brands are paying for, not the button press. Anyone can press a button. Owners build judgment. Workers press buttons. Okay, so here's why this whole system is important beyond just saving your own time. This is a sellable service. Local businesses need video content. Coaches need it. Real estate agents, dentists, fitness studios, supplement brands, they all need it. And most of them have no idea this technology exists. You take this exact 3-tool workflow, Claude, HeyGen, TopView, and you package it as one offer. Depending on what you're offering, 30 to 60 seconds, professional video, $500 to $997, delivered in 48 hours. They don't lift a finger. 4 videos a month per client, 2 to 3 clients, you do the math. And here's what makes this different from every other AI side hustle that you ever heard of. You're not selling AI. You're not explaining the tools. You're selling a result, a piece of content that actually makes a local business look like they're the biggest brand in their city for a fraction of what a production company charges. The owner of the local plumbing company would love to have an ad that looks like it costs $50,000 to make, filmed from a selfie he took from his couch. Now that's the value. That's the offer. You can easily build the whole thing between school pickups and dinner. Now I want to say something to the person watching this at 11 o'clock at night. Laptop open, everyone else is asleep, trying to figure out if this whole thing is actually going to work. Now, I've been that person. I sometimes am still that person. And here's what I wish someone told me earlier. You don't have a time problem. You have a role problem. You're doing the worker task when you should be making owner decisions. And no amount of new AI tools will fix that until you fix that first. The tools are just tools. The mindset is the business. So last Sunday, I didn't work. I didn't meal prep at midnight. I didn't answer emails or script videos or try to keep up with the latest AI drop. I just existed for a day like a normal person and my business was fine. Now that's what I'm building toward. Not hustle, not grind, but flow. A business that runs because I built it smart, not because I ran myself into the ground building it. Every week, in the Flow newsletter, I share exactly what I'm testing, what's working, and what's completely flopped, and the practical frameworks that you can steal and use the same week that you read them. Real stories from real people who are actually building something, and honest strategies for growing online without burning yourself out in the process. And no fake guru energy where it's like, yeah, I made 6 figures on the beach with one prop in 5 minutes. Just real talk. The link is in the description, and I just would love for you to come build with me because you're not behind, you're not too late, and you're absolutely not too young or too old. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.